What's up, boys? I'm out here in Virginia Beach right now, and it's snowing like crazy. Like it's coming down like a blizzard. We've already got like maybe 6 inches so far, and it's still snowing. It's supposed to keep snowing all the way until tomorrow, and the temperature's supposed to drop even more. So it's definitely gonna stay, and it's probably gonna freeze over and be kind of crazy. But it's 2 a.m. out here right now, and I'm just taking the Jeep out and having fun. But yeah, we're on top of this parking lot right now. I'm taking some pictures. There's Noctis. He's getting covered in snow. There was a lot more snow, but I knocked a lot of it off. But yeah, I got him out here. We're downtown, town center, looking pretty cool, covered in that powder. Oh man, this is a day like this is when I'm happy to be driving a Jeep. Alright boys, I think that's all for tonight. It's gonna keep snowing until tomorrow, so I'm gonna put the Jeep in the garage for now and come back out here tomorrow, and hopefully there's even more snow on the ground. It should be like maybe another 2 or 3 inches. Hey, what's up guys? It is the next day, and it has snowed way more, and we're probably looking at about a foot to 2 feet of snow in some places. But yeah, we're about to take the Jeep out. It's definitely a lot deeper in some areas, like right here. This is what I was talking about when I said it was looked to be about 2 feet in some places. Just crazy. Never gotten anything like this since I've been stationed here in Virginia. Got some dogs. Heading to the garage right now. Grab the Jeep. Yeah. Say hey to YouTube, Joe.
It's cold.
It's cold. It's cold, but it's awesome. It's beautiful. Got the Jeep warming up right now. Kept it in the garage. Yeah. Got the Monster. Got everything ready to go. About to go have some fun. A lot more snow. I'm about to go to my buddy's house because he lost his power, so he's gotta go to another friend of ours' house to hang out there until his power gets back turned on, because he's got like some animals and stuff like that you know will get cold. He's gonna give me a GoPro, and I'm gonna try to use that to get some extra footage from different parts of the Jeep, and I think he's got some of the mounting hardware for it too, but I'm not sure. But we'll see. I'd like to get, you know, a lot of different types of footage and different angles of me driving through this stuff. So after we picked up the GoPros, we took them to a field nearby to test them out. Hey guys, what's up? I just came out to this field real quick. There's not a whole lot out here. It's pretty awesome. The snow is just right about perfect. Some people have been out here before me. You can kind of tell. But I'm gonna go around and plan it really quick and get some shots on the GoPro. So I'm leaving the field right now. Probably gonna end up coming back over here a little later when it's darker. Get some cooler shots with the GoPro. See how it handles in the low light. Check this out, guys. A GoPro Hero 4 with the touchscreen, capable of shooting 4K resolution. A GoPro 3, just a normal 3. That might be kind of cool though, because I can mount it somewhere like on the outside of the Jeep for some cool stuff. I got another GoPro 3, but this is a GoPro 3 Plus. And it also I got a whole bag full of like Crown Royal bag. Got a whole bag full of like mounting equipment. I got this the little stand for it, the little hand grip or whatever for that, so that's cool. But I'm back in my garage now. Had a lot of fun, just riding around in the snow. Pulled some people out, went to my friend's house, did some stuff like that. After taking a break and checking out the cameras, we decided to head back out into the snow to see what kind of footage we could shoot in the low light. So we headed over to an empty parking lot where all the snow was still piled up to hit a quick flex and get some pictures. What's up, guys? So, nothing special, you know, just a quick little flex to be piled up and melt, and then what didn't is continuing to freeze overnight more and more. So it's Saturday now. It's been a couple days since the snow first started coming down, and this is what we're left with now, just like giant piles of snow and ice that have been plowed up, and some of the roads are still pretty bad too. But it's been a lot of fun for me. I kind of wish it would do this more often. I don't know how well you can hear me, but this will probably be the end. I don't really have anything else that I can do after this besides maybe a couple things, but I've got a lot of footage to work on. I've got a lot of, I've got like four or five videos right now that I'm working on that are all going to be that we had uploaded did really well, which is always cool to see. Actually, the last two did really well. Sam's walk around video, you guys love that. The Choco Loco video is doing pretty good. But thank you guys for the support. It means a lot. Really appreciate it. Thanks for watching Intrinsic Off-Road. My name is Quentin. Peace.